Welcome. If you want to get TFT mobile on your tablet, right now I'm going to show you how to get it. But the first thing, when we are going to the Google Play Store on our tablet and we are typing on the search TFT mobile, we cannot find here this application, right? So we have to get the second device. This one is Huawei P30 Pro, and on this smartphone you have to download this TFT mobile. And as you can see, I get it. And the second thing is to get the Smart Switch application, also from the Google Play Store. This is the application that we are going to use to transfer data. And right now, open the Smart Switch on your smartphone, and also on the tablet. Click Let's Go on the smartphone, tap on the wireless, OK, and go to your tablet, and it will connect automatically. And if it doesn't, you have to click there. I'm going to show you right now. Let's tap on the stop, disconnect. If it doesn't connect automatically, you have to click on the receive data. So let's click on it. Let's go wireless, tap on the receive data. Okay, wireless, and right now we are waiting. Okay, they are connecting. So right now we have to wait a little bit. And right now click here to unselect all of these things. Click on the apps right here on this little arrow. And right now you have to unselect all of these apps, because we only want to send TFT mobile on our tablet. Okay, here's our TFT, so we are leaving this marker and we are going to unselect this stuff. Okay, it's done. So right now we got selected one application, and of course it's TFT mobile. Click on it, done. Right now scroll down, tap on the transfer, and right now it is transferring, and we have to wait. Okay, click on it, done. And right now, as you can see, here we have the TFT mobile. So let's try if it is working. And it is, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel. See ya.